Hello everyone, today we are going to solve encode and decode in URL problem. So in this problem, a long URL is given to us. We have to store it in our hash map as a tiny URL, and then we have to return the long URL whenever required. Okay, so this is basically our hash map problem. Okay, where we store our tiny URL as a key and long URL as a value. Okay, so as a key we use our tiny URL, and here we are storing our long URL. If you do not understand what is hash table, what is hash map, or how we write a hashing function, so I would recommend you to first watch design headset problem video and then comes to this. So in this problem what we have to write is we have to just generate this code, okay, so that we can generate keys for this, and then whenever we need our long URL we get our long URL using this sort URL. Okay, so let's see the code how we are generating the hashing function is. So let's see how we are gonna implement our hashing. So basically we have to we have our tiny URL. How our tiny URL is looking like? Our tiny URL is something like http tinyurl.com / some hash code. Okay, some hash code. So we have to generate this hash code. So how we are gonna generate is basically we are using a length of 6. We will generate a hash code of length 6. Okay, and we are using some numbers, some lowercase alphabet and uppercase alphabet. Okay, so to generate this random hash code. So how we are using it? First of all, we will take one random number. If it is a 0, okay, and we are using 3, so to generate a random number, if it is a 0, then we are adding a number to our hash code, let's say 0. Okay, and then if it is a 1, so then we are adding a lowercase alphabet, let's say 0b. Or if it is our random number is 2, then we are adding this. So our hash code is something like this. This is our hash code. Okay, and if our hash code is already present, if this is already present in our hash map, if it is already present, that means this key is already exist, then we are again generate this key. We are generating this key until and unless we find a key which is not present here. Okay, once we find a key, then we will store our key here and long URL here. Okay, we will long URL and key here. This will be our hash code. Okay, so now what we have to do is, if we have generated this, so how we are going to encode this? So for encoding we have to write our tiny URL, that is http tinyurl.com and /. After that we have to suffix here. We have to write our hash code. So hash code is we generated this hash code. So we are gonna return tiny URL plus hash code, and this will be return our a tiny URL in form of this. Okay. Then if our sort URL is given to us, okay, then what we have to do is we have to generate back our long URL. So how we are gonna do this? We have this. So we will take this substring. Okay, we will take this substring. How to take this substring? We starting from substring length minus length, and length is our 6. So we start from this and take what is the length of this? Its length is length, that is 6. So we take this string and look from this. Okay, and that's how we use this hash map and hashing. So this is a very easy problem, to be honest. You have to just write a hashing function for this, and everything is so simple if you understand what is hash map. So yeah, this is a simple solution. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section. You can check out the source code and the article in the description. Thanks for watching.